Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to open Jupyter Notebook from CMD. All right. First up, go ahead and open up CMD right here on your search bar and make sure to run it as administrator. There will be a pop-up. Just click on yes. Now in here, you're going to want to make sure that Jupyter is installed in your computer. Just type in pip or pip space install. Install Jupyter. All right. Hit on enter and just wait for it to finish. All right, it's pretty fast because I've already installed it. If this is the first time that you install Jupyter in your system, it may take longer, maybe a good 3 to 4 minutes. Now, to actually open it up, let's just type in Python. All right, space -m, another space, then type in notebook. All right, once that's done, hit on enter and it will open up your default browser. Just wait for it. All right, as you can see here, it will look like this. There you go. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.